up everyone, RV here. Today, I'll show you how to create an After Effects style parallel slice transition in Alight Motion using a simple step-by-step method. Let's get started. First, adjust all your clips so the character stays centered and the body lines up consistently. Now, add a null object and place it over the character's face. Parent all of your clips to the null. Animate the null scale from 50% to 70% and use this same smooth graph. Next, extend every clip by 2 frames at both the beginning and the end. Then, go 3 frames into each clip and animate the opacity like I'm doing on screen. After that, apply the wipe effect to every clip. Copy my settings and set the angle however you like. I'll show a few angle values on the screen. Now, create a shape layer and apply the copy background effect. Add the tiles effect and enable mirror edges. Keep tiles if effect above copy background so you don't get dark feathering around the edges when using blur. Add zoom blur and copy my settings. And finally add chromatic aberration. Copy my settings. And use the same graph for both effects. And that's it. Your After Effects style parallel slice transition is ready. Thanks for watching.